All right, here's a 58 Ford. I'm going to say probably sedan delivery. It is a 58 Ford, at least to the best of my knowledge, because it's got dual headlights, and I think 58 was the first year of dual headlights. I could be wrong, but if I am, please let me know. But the fun fact, even my 55 Pontiac, I put a 58 Ford, actually it came with it, but it had a 58 Ford grill insert that was kind of cut up and made to work. I think this car is pretty neat and special. It's pretty rough on the inside, but I think with enough time and energy and ambition, that's the big thing, you could probably put this car back together. The outside's actually not bad at all. It's just there's literally nothing left for floors or rockers. But for a car that has no floors and rockers, the doors actually close and line up with these. Not too bad at all. This one would definitely be worth fixing it. You just need a good parts car. But for one, like I said, for having literally no floors or rockers, the doors sure close and line up nicely, and actually it's not bad. I've always liked these cars. They're pretty neat. It's got just the right amount of patina on it. The only thing I'm not sure about this is this back window is curved or if it's just flat. But at least these corner windows are in, so I'm sure those would probably be pretty hard to find.
And this is, I believe it's seized.
Yeah, the rear bumper's in nice shape, and a lot of the stainless is not too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad on this side. A little bit more rocker on this side, but not.
I'll try to pop the hood on this thing. But yeah, like, believe it or not, the exterior of this thing's not too bad at all.
No.
Right here. It's a Y block, either like a 292 or 272, or sorry, a 292 or a 312. I'm gonna say it's probably locked up. But yeah, no, I think this car is definitely worth trying to fix. And I think they do make a lot of reproduction parts for these cars, but like the roof is straight and the sides are pretty decent. It's just weird how bad the whole floor panels are just gone and rotten out of it.
Back is not too bad. It's just rusted out here, but
you just cut that all out and just start from scratch. Make it the way you want to make it. And
I don't know what this.
That was probably for the spare tire. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I'm sure somebody will tell us. Actually, yeah, because this part lifts raised.
Yeah,
up.
this is raised up and then the tailgate folds down. A little bit of rust hole there, but
I think this car is definitely maybe 1 year is definitely worth thinking about or talking about. Maybe like down the road. But I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, it's just got the right amount of patina, and that seems to be in these days.
Yeah, and the body is...
It's actually nice and straight, surprisingly.
Yeah, just the floors. Which in reality, you only have to worry about the front half.
True. But yeah, I think it's a pretty awesome little car. I don't think there's many of them around. I couldn't tell you how many, but maybe somebody will tell us how many were ever made. And like I said, correct me wrong if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to say it's a 58. But anyway, I hope you like this little video of this Ford. If you guys have actually talked about it, and actually there's a lot of like concerns about it, and people want to know about it, so I figured I would give it a decent walk around and talk about it. So anyway, hope you like this little video. Like and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.